Hey, it's the king of Christmas lights. I'm going to show you how we would decorate this HOA entrance. Okay, so first you have to realize that there was probably a lot of foliage in here that was taken out. So there's not a lot of foreground stuff in here. So what we're going to do is in this area going up and over this archway here, we're either going to run C9s or, since there's not a lot of foliage down here, I would put garland over this deal right here. And then on either side of this and right there, I would put a big 60-inch wreath. That's gonna really help it stand out. And then on this one, all around this landscape bed right in here, I would put stake lighting. That's gonna help add definition to this entrance. And I would mimic and do the exact same thing on that entrance. And now, if budget allows, let's light this tree up. There's one on that side, but let's light this tree up also. This one and the other one on that side. And that's gonna add something that's really tall and give it more definition to make it more of a design interest. So that's how we would decorate this one. But first and foremost, if you're gonna decorate this, you gotta make sure that this entrance has power. And where do we find power? Behind the wall. So if you go and look behind the wall, you're probably going to find the power for everything that's on this wall, including this light right here. Follow us for more tips.